Friends, if you are into wet shaving or want luxurious shave, then you must invest in a good shaving soap. Today I have with me Hajamat Moisturizing Shaving Soap. Let's see how it performs. Hajamat shaving soap is a right mix of natural and chemical ingredients. The prominent natural ingredients used are coconut oil, sweet almond oil, shea butter, aloe vera and caffeine. An important thing here is that Hajamat shaving soap is free of SLS, SLES, parabens and dyes. Let's open the pack now. The fragrance is old school and will remind you of barber shop fragrance. I personally am not a fan of this smell. I found the packing quite impressive. This shaving soap is soft and can be pressed easily. The puck weighs 80 grams. Hajamat shaving soap is FDA approved. Let's start the shaving. My beard is 1 day old and I do shave on a daily basis. My beard is hard in nature. I will wash my face with a good face wash. Now I will take the shaving brush and wet it. I will now rotate the shaving brush on the shaving soap for at least 30 seconds till I get a lather. The lather formed is quite thick and creamy. The safety razor I am using is Pearl Closed Comb SS01 double edge safety razor and the blade is Supermax Diamond Edge. I am able to shave easily. The shaving razor is able to glide pretty smoothly on my skin. Any shaving soap creates a cushion between the razor and the skin. It raises the hair so that they can be cut easily for a smooth shave. Well, I have completed my second pass. I will now wash my face and check the results. The feeling is good. The slickness is great and I feel the skin a little moisturized as well. I will now use an aftershave splash from Park Avenue and complete my shave. Hajamat shaving soap is a combination of moisturizer, natural ingredients and premium lathering agents that provide a cushioning layer between the blade and the skin. This stuff will last for a long time. There are 3 other luxury shaving soap variants from Hajamat: Instant Oud, Smoky Leather and Earthy Patchouli. The price of Hajamat shaving soap as of now is Rs 299. If you are interested in buying this shaving soap, then I will leave a buy link for you in the video description and pinned comment. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by Hajamat or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.